Ever see a woodworking tool and think, I needed this yesterday? That's today's video. Welcome to NYXCL Labs, where we spotlight smart, practical tools that actually make building easier. No gimmicks, no wasted money. These new Amazon woodworking tools are all about speed, accuracy, and better results in the shop. If you like working smarter, hit subscribe. All the tool links are in the description. Let's jump in. Need real cutting power without hauling a full-size saw? This mini circular saw runs at 3,500 RPM with a 4-amp motor, delivering clean, controlled cuts on wood and sheet material. A built-in laser guide helps keep your line straight, while the rip fence locks in accuracy. It cuts up to 1 11/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1 1/8 inches at 45 degrees. Lightweight at about 5.5 pounds, it is commonly found around $40. Clamping awkward or angled workpieces usually means frustration, but this clamp simplifies the process. One-handed operation delivers up to 150 pounds of clamping force, locking material down fast and secure. The grooved anti-mar pad grips firmly without damaging surfaces, even at odd angles. A quick release mechanism removes it instantly when finished. Designed to fit any half-inch 14-degree dovetail groove, it is a reliable shop upgrade that typically costs about $29. Tying rebar by hand is slow, tiring, and inconsistent. This cordless rebar tying tool automates the entire process with one-handed operation and a powerful brushless motor rated around 340 watts. Adjustable tie strength ensures consistent wraps, while automatic wire feeding speeds up workflow dramatically. Capable of up to 5,000 ties on a single charge, it is built for heavy concrete work and large pours, and it is often listed around $1,288. Pour cuts often start with poor layout, and this tool fixes that early. The right angle ruler features laser-etched markings with 1/16 and 1/32 inch spacing for accurate measuring. Built-in angle guides from 10 to 90 degrees speed up marking, while the retractable edge support keeps it stable on boards. A built-in scribing needle eliminates pencil guessing entirely. It works as a ruler, angle finder, and layout tool, and usually sells for about $18. Setting up a sturdy work surface should not waste time. This Bora Centipede table unfolds in seconds using flexible steel struts that deliver impressive strength without bulky frames. Protective tops shield tools and materials, while included brackets and clamps lock everything securely in place. It handles cutting, sanding, and assembly jobs with ease, then folds down for transport. Lightweight, portable, and surprisingly strong, this job site favorite usually comes in around $104. Uneven shelf pin holes can ruin cabinets fast, and this jig removes that risk entirely. The clear body lets you see alignment clearly, while hardened 32mm bushings guide the drill accurately every time. Indexing pins allow unlimited rows, and the built-in depth stop prevents drilling too deep. Whether building cabinets or upgrading shelving, it delivers professional results without complex measuring, and is typically priced around $39. Most push blocks simply move wood forward, but this one focuses on control. The GRR-RIPPER applies downward, inward, and forward pressure at the same time, helping reduce kickback and improve cut accuracy. Its high grip surface holds firmly even on dusty hardwood or slick plastics. Fully adjustable, it allows safe ripping down to 1/4 inch and works across table saws, routers, jointers, and band saws. This essential safety tool usually goes for about $49. Ever wish your track saw could handle angles like a miter saw? This adjustable square makes it possible by locking into 11 precise angles from -60 to +60 degrees. Built from solid aluminum, it stays rigid through repeated cuts and works with major brands like Makita, Festool, and Milwaukee. There is no marking or guessing involved, just set, tighten, and cut. This accuracy upgrade is commonly listed near $39. When you need a specific dowel size, this jig lets you make it instantly. It attaches to a standard drill and turns scrap wood into smooth, round dowels on demand. With 8 adjustable diameters ranging from roughly 0.3 to 0.8 inches, switching sizes takes seconds. The carbide cutting blade delivers clean, consistent results every time. Lightweight and durable, it is a practical shop tool that typically sells for about $30. Strong furniture depends on solid joints, and this jointer is built for that job. It cuts accurate mortise and tenon joints with adjustable angles from 0 to 90 degrees and cutting depth up to about 1.5 inches. A rack and pinion fence locks settings precisely, while a motor running at 17,000 RPM powers through hardwood smoothly. Clean alignment and repeatable cuts make it a favorite, usually priced around $139. Cutting fiber cement usually creates dust and rough edges, but this shear changes that completely. It cleanly slices boards up to 1/2 inch thick with far less mess, thanks to a cool running brushless motor. The 360-degree rotating head improves control in tight spaces, while the cordless 18-volt platform keeps movement unrestricted. Designed for professional job sites, it delivers clean, controlled cuts and is commonly seen around $735. This cordless kettle brings real convenience to job sites and workshops. It holds about 27 fluid ounces of water and heats efficiently using Makita's battery system. The double wall construction keeps the exterior cool, while auto shutoff and spill prevention locks add safety. LED indicators clearly show heating status. Built for durability and comfort on the go, it is generally listed at roughly $355. Need serious heat without dragging a cord across the job site? This cordless heat gun delivers temperatures up to about 932 degrees Fahrenheit with 2 airflow settings for controlled work. Tool-free nozzle changes save time, while the built-in LED improves visibility in tight or dim spaces. Safety locks and overload protection keep operation predictable. Compact, powerful, and battery-driven, it handles paint stripping, heat shrink, and plastic bending with ease and usually sits around $287. Tired of sanding discs that clog, burn, and wear out too fast? These 2-inch quick-change discs are built for aggressive, clean grinding without overheating. Made from premium aluminum oxide, they cut through metal, wood, and welds efficiently while lasting far longer than cheap alternatives. The torque lock system allows instant swaps and supports speeds up to 23,000 RPM. Ideal for fast-paced shop work, this pack is commonly listed at about $19. Holding workpieces steady should not feel like a workout. This 11-inch heavy-duty face clamp delivers a strong, consistent grip with a 3.5-inch opening and a high-tension spring built for repeated use. Swivel jaw pads adjust to angled or uneven surfaces, improving accuracy during assembly and cutting. An ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue, while the quick-release lever speeds things up. A reliable shop essential that usually goes for $30. This jigsaw is built for both precision and power. It features a 6.6 amp variable speed motor, pushing up to 3,300 strokes per minute for smooth, controlled cuts. 4 orbital settings let you switch between clean straight lines and aggressive curves, with bevel cuts up to 45 degrees in either direction. A built-in laser and LED keep your cut line visible, while the dust blower clears debris. A versatile cutting tool that typically sells around $80. Most sawhorses feel flimsy under real weight, but this one is built differently. Made from high-grade steel, the ToughBuilt C550 supports up to 1,100 pounds on its own, or 2,200 pounds as a pair. Add a few 2x4s and plywood, and it converts into a rock-solid job site table. Folding legs lock fast, feet stay planted on uneven ground, and it remains easy to carry. This heavy-duty workhorse is usually priced around $129. That's it for today from NYXCL Labs. Which tool would you actually use in your workshop? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoy discovering tools that save time and improve results, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. All the links are in the description. We'll see you in the next build.